Effortlessly elegant about a cotton kurti in summer. Light, breathable, and easy to wear. It's a staple in every wardrobe. But sometimes a plain kurti needs a little extra charm. And what better way to make it your own than with hand embroidery? In this DIY, we'll walk you through how to customize your summer kurti with embroidery. From selecting your design to stitching a unique piece that blends tradition with modern flair. Let's stitch some love into your look. Choose a base color that contrasts beautifully with your embroidery thread. Popular choices for summer include white, ivory, blush pink, mint green, or powder blue. Avoid heavy textures or fabrics that stretch too much, as they make embroidery harder to control. Here are a few embroidery ideas to try. Floral vines around the neckline or sleeve edges. Minimal motifs like stars, leaves, or hearts scattered across the front. Traditional Indian elements like paisleys, mandalas, or mirrorwork borders, and contemporary accents, abstract line art, initials, or geometric borders. Think about where you want the design. Along the neckline, sleeve cuffs, hemline border, or a feature motif on the chest or shoulder. Keep it simple for a casual look, or go bold for festive wear. Trace it with carbon paper, sketch freehand using a fabric pencil or chalk, or use stencils or printouts if you're not confident drawing by hand. Place a hard surface like cardboard or a hoop behind the fabric to make drawing and stitching easier. Embroidery thread. Anchor or DMC are great brands. An embroidery needle, medium size, not too sharp. An embroidery hoop, and fabric scissors. Optional, small mirrors, beads, or sequins. Use contrasting colors for bold designs or tonal shades for subtle elegance. A blush pink kurti with gold or maroon thread is stunning. Stitches are beginner-friendly and beautiful. Backstitch, for outlines and shapes, lazy daisy. Perfect for flower petals, chain stitch. Great for flowing vines or outlines, French knots. Add texture and cute dots and running stitch. Simple, neat, and fast. Place your embroidery hoop over the area you want to stitch, tighten it, and start slow. Focus on one section at a time. Embroidery is slow fashion. Turn on some calming music or a podcast and enjoy the process, and let it dry naturally. Iron it inside out to set the threads. You can also add tiny mirrors or beads for sparkle, embroider your initials near the hem for a signature touch, and pair it with a matching dupatta or stole for a coordinated set, a one-of-a-kind summer piece. Handmade by you, stitched with care and creativity. Style it with your favorite leggings, a breezy palazzo, or distressed jeans for a fusion twist. Add jumkas, a soft dupatta, connect with tradition, slow down, and wear something that truly reflects you. So pull out those old Curtis, grab a needle, and start stitching your style into summer. Don't forget to like, share, or tag us if you try this at home. We'd love to see your embroidered creation.